Welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy. Cooking and baking made easy. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to recreate this. I know you're asking what it is. It's what we call a bundle of aromates, or also called a bouquet garni. This is what gives beautiful and subtle flavor to your stocks, your fumets, your fond, but also to your stew or casserole, such as a beef bourguignon or beef à la bourguignon, which I will share my recipe with you soon and probably next week. So how do we do that? I will show you in the next 2 minutes. You have no worries about it. It's very easy and use only few ingredients. So before we go, please make sure you subscribe, share, and enjoy this recipe. I shall see you next week. Bye. To create your beautiful bouquet garni, this bundle of aromates, you need to have a nice piece of leek. Therefore, that's why you never waste the green. You use it. You also need 2 bay leaves. Those ones are fresh from the garden. Spring of thyme, also fresh from the garden. A little bit of parsley stalks, peppercorn, and some celery stalk and a little bit of string. And all we gotta do really is to use the bay leaf as an envelope, the leek as an envelope, put the bay leaf, the parsley stalks into it, and we also put the celery stalk, the peppercorn, and we are going to try to close this down and roll it on itself just like that. Then we use a bit of string as a tie, tied it up quite nicely. And this will be used just like a tea bag to give flavor to either our stock, fumet, casserole. I don't use that in curry, but I'm going to use it for beef bourguignon that I'm making tonight for some mates coming home for dinner. And you should have this recipe coming up soon. So I hope you enjoyed that little techniques on how to make a bouquet garni. Bye.